Today, I'll show you how to add a road name on Google Maps. Whether you've discovered a new road that's not yet on the map, or you need to correct an existing one, this straightforward process will help you contribute to the accuracy of Google Maps and assist others in finding their way more easily. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is your starting point, and once the site loads, you'll be able to explore all the features that Google Maps has to offer. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on these lines to open the main menu. Once the menu opens, you'll see a variety of options. And what you're looking for here is the Edit the Map option. Click on it. This feature allows you to make changes to the map, whether it's adding new roads, correcting details, or updating information. After selecting this option, you'll see another choice that says Add or Fix a Road. Click on this to proceed. Next, you'll have the option to select Add a Road. Click on this, and you'll be able to start the process of adding a new road to the map. The map interface will allow you to click anywhere to add a road. So find the location where the road should begin and click. This is the starting point of your new road. As you add the road, click to add points along its path. This will help define the road's shape and direction. If you need to stop at any point, simply click on an existing road, double-click, or press the escape key. These actions will signal the end of your road addition process. You're not locked into your first attempt, though. You can add more points or adjust the position of existing points anytime while you're working. This flexibility ensures that you can accurately represent the road as it appears in reality. Once you've finished mapping out the road, take a moment to review your work. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the accuracy, click the Done button. This will submit your edits to Google for review. Remember, contributing to Google Maps is a valuable way to aid navigation for others and enhance the map's accuracy. While your changes won't appear instantly as they go through a review process, your effort is an important part of improving the map for everyone. Thanks for watching this guide on adding a road name to Google Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more ways you can contribute and make the map even better. Happy mapping!